Hi all, back on the street here. I'm here with Bayan Deanparvar, Wave and MBSI Wave fiber engineer. And this year, he is leading a fiber training session right before WISPAPALOOZA kicks off. And he is here to tell you more.
Yeah, so we've done this before, and it's a great platform. It's a great forum that provides a comprehensive overview from to build a fiber network, from design and construction, planning and implementation. And it also provides a great platform for attendees to share their insights and their own unique concerns.
So who should attend this training?
Anyone and everyone, especially if you're new to fiber, you're going to get a complete overview of what's involved in building a fiber network.
Very cool. And what do you think the top 3 things people are going to learn at your training?
Well, you're going to learn about the components that go into a fiber network. You're going to learn about the different types of cables. You're going to learn about the deployment architectures. And most importantly, you're going to learn about troubleshooting and maintenance.
And so the loaded question, is the training free?
The training costs $100, but you get that back in Wave and NBSI Wave credit from your first fiber purchase. So yes, it is free.
Awesome. Well, there you have it. You have all the details. Go online today, register because seating is limited.